TikTok. Last time you heard this voice, it was fearful, but today, I'm triumphant. And thanks to movie magic, I'm going to turn this almost 2-hour experience into 2 minutes of me looking like I know what I'm doing. I've managed to get the phone apart without breaking anything, so I'm feeling pretty good. Woo! Now it's on to the actual difficult part that a baby probably couldn't do, unlike the screen. Just got to pop some bits out. Making sure I've got everything separated into nice piles because I don't want to lose track of any of this. Now around here is when I started to get a bit nervous, because when you've got your own phone split in two in front of you and you've got to put it back together, you feel the nerves. I've got plans for this screen, but that's for a later date. Whew, that's a shiny boy. Now here's where you want to do as I say and not as I do, because if you prod at this battery in your phone like how I did, it might set on fire, and we don't want that. So, be gentle and get rid of all that adhesive. Look at it go. It's quite a satisfying task. Now we just need to sort the battery out. Make sure you fold the edges over. Now you can just get stuck in there with your new battery. Just make sure you don't place it up too high. Next, we're going to ensure the screen is properly optimized. Now we just need to stick another sticky glue in the phone. We like this bit, it's satisfying. We like to peel here. Look at me go, peel. Ensure that the adhesive is properly stuck to the inside corners and edges of your phone, because that's obviously where the screen's going to go. Screw some more bits in, you know the drill. Now, the moment of truth. Is this bad boy going to go on? Oh God, please. And it does. You'll get a nice little clicking sound and you know you've done the job right. Screw the other bits back in. Make sure you don't lose the bottom screw like I did. Now get a load of that fresh screen peel. Tune in for part 3 for the finishing touches and to check if this phone will actually turn on.